Welcome back to TV5 News at 9. Today we are learning about ways that you can stay informed about getting the COVID-19 vaccine. We are joined by Angela Williams, the Director of Special Projects at Great Lakes Bay Health Centers. And Angela, we just appreciate you being here with us this morning.
Good morning, Blake. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely, absolutely. So first question right now, who should be getting the COVID-19 vaccine?
Anyone who is 50 years old or older. So we know a couple of weeks ago we were on 65 and older, and now we're focusing on 50 and older. However, I still need to remind the public that it's very important that we still immunize our 80-year-old people and older. So this is an opportunity for anybody 50 and older to reach out and receive the vaccination for COVID.
Now, do we know the specific requirements people need to meet in order to get the vaccine this time around?
At this time, the local Saginaw Public Health Department is just requesting that you pre-register. And I know that there are so many venues that you can register on to get the vaccine. Some people are frustrated because they've been waiting. And so one of our goals with Great Lakes as well as the Saginaw County Health Department is to try to relieve some of the burden of accessing vaccines and the frustration of the wait.
All right, very good. So how can our own viewers get a vaccine at Great Lakes Bay Health Centers?
Actually, we just opened up a new offering. We have online registration for COVID-19. So if you go to our website or our Facebook page, we have an easy opportunity for you to just register. We also have a QR code available so you can hold your smartphone up to it, and right away the information goes to your smartphone and just answer the questions. We have about 1,500 people on a wait list right now. Our goal at Great Lakes is to follow the CDC guidelines and get as many people easily vaccinated as soon as possible.
Yeah, and of course, making that process easy is part of the battle. So we appreciate that, Angela. So there's this special event this Saturday. Can you just tell us a little bit more of what it is, what it will look like, what you're doing?
The Saginaw County Health Department is partnering with several churches in our neighborhoods, in our own neighborhoods, to provide vaccinations, COVID-19 vaccines, Moderna vaccine, meaning that you get your first dose. And I want to remind the public, we hosted this event last Saturday, a huge success at 4 churches. We're hosting the event on Saturday, March 20th from 9 to 12. Great Lakes, Covenant Hospital, Ascension, and the Health Department are hosting clinics at several locations. Great Lakes will be hosting our event at New Birth Missionary Baptist Church, 3121 Sheridan, across from Sheridan Plaza. The minister in charge there is Bishop Larry Campbell, very popular in the community. We will be there from 9 to 12. We ask that people make an appointment at 989-798-6405. However, I want to add another little caveat to this. New Birth Missionary Baptist Church, Victoria's Believers, and Mount Olive Baptist Church, we all have space right now for people to walk in. So if you don't know how to pre-register, or you left a message and you didn't get a call back, please just show up during those hours. Tell them that you would like a vaccine. However, I want to remind people it will be on a first-come, first-served basis. Our goal is to immunize 250 people at each event. So each of those churches have doses available. It's a safe way for us to build the immunity to COVID-19 by hosting these events in our local neighborhoods, as I said earlier. This vaccine was developed rapidly. I know that people have concerns about it, but please trust your healthcare providers. Please trust your community leaders. We want to go back to another level of normalcy in our lives, and we want to make sure that we are hosting these where people have easy access to the convenience of receiving the vaccine. And what I want to also stress to people that Just because you come on Saturday to receive your first vaccine, it's important that you return to that same location wherever you received your vaccine, either last week, March 13th, or March 20th. For those who went March 13th, you must return to that same location on April 10th for your second dose. Those of you who are coming on Saturday, March 20th, your scheduled appointment is April 17th, same time, same location, from 9 to 12. So we are following, and we're happy that the president announced that he plans to deploy more vaccines to the Saginaw County. So again, we continue to work with our partners, Saginaw County Health Department. Please stay in touch with Facebook, Great Lakes Bay Health Center's website, as well as the health department. The information, as you said earlier, Blake, it changes every day. So more vaccine clinics will be available for the community, Saginaw County, as well as our outlying counties, where we, as at Great Lakes, are partnering with our local health departments to make sure that we can support any location that we render services for this special opportunity to help our community.
Oh, wow. Angela, such great, helpful information from you. And of course, if you would like to learn more about getting vaccinated or any information about Saturday's event, just head over to the hotlink section at WAM.com. Angela, we appreciate you so much. Thanks for joining us this morning.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You as well.